Certain algebraic expressions contain more than one operation, and in these cases you have to use the order of operations in order to figure out which operation to perform first. So the first operation you want to perform is whatever's inside the grouping symbols. Second, you want to simplify powers and roots. And third, you want to perform multiplication and division from left to right. Finally, you want to perform addition and subtraction from left to right. Now we're going to look at an example that requires the use of the order of operations. So here we have 4 parentheses 25 minus parentheses 5 minus 2 close parentheses squared. So when we look at this problem, we want to start with what's inside the grouping symbol. So we see that 5 minus 2 is in the grouping symbol, so we want to solve that first. We get 4 parentheses 25 minus 3 squared close parentheses. Now we see that 3 has an exponent, so we want to solve that first. So 4 parentheses 25 minus 9. And we now see that 25 and 9 are still in parentheses, so we want to solve that first. We get 4 times 16, and now we can just do multiplication, and 4 times 16 equals 64. In this example, we're going to be evaluating an algebraic expression. We have 21 minus x plus 2 times 5 for x equals 7. So what you must do is you have to plug the 7 in for the x. This now makes your equation 21 minus 7 plus 2 times 5. Based on the order of operations, you have to start with multiplication for this problem. So 2 times 5 equals 10. So your equation should now be 21 minus 7 plus 10. Next, you want to do addition and subtraction from left to right. So you want to do 21 minus 7 first. And when you do 21 minus 7, you get 14 plus 10. Then you do 14 plus 10, and you should get 24. In this example, we are going to be comparing two real number expressions. Here we have 4 times the square root of 64 blank the square root of 4 times 64. We want to start by simplifying the expressions on both sides. So let's start with the left. We know that the square root of 64 is 8, so we have 4 times 8 blank square root of 4 times 64. We can then do 4 times 8, which is 32. 32 blank square root of 4 times 64. Now we can work on the right side. 4 times 64 is 256. So we should now have 32 blank square root of 256. We know that the square root of 256 equals 16, so we have 32 blank 16. And because 32 is greater than 16, we can put the greater than symbol in the middle. In this example, we want to translate words into math. So we have the statement 1/2 times the difference of -5 and 3. So based on this statement, we can translate it into math, and we come up with 1/2 parentheses -5 minus -3 close parentheses. You use parentheses around the -5 minus 3 in order to show that the difference is evaluated first before multiplying. Words such as times and difference tell us that we're going to have multiplication and subtraction in the problem.